Hey guys, if your games feel laggy or choppy on BlueStacks, this guide will help you increase FPS and improve performance in 2026. So whether you're playing shooting games, racing games, or heavy Android titles, yeah, these settings can make gameplay much smoother. First, launch BlueStacks and open the Settings menu from the top right corner. Then go to the Performance section. Now increase the number of CPU cores and memory allocation if your PC supports it. Giving BlueStacks more system resources can significantly improve FPS. Next, enable high FPS mode and increase the frame rate limit. So if your monitor supports it, you can set the FPS to 60, 90, or even higher. Outdated GPU drivers can reduce FPS and cause stuttering. So make sure your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers are fully updated. Before gaming, close unnecessary background programs like browsers, overlays, or recording software. Yeah, this frees up more CPU and RAM for BlueStacks. You can also improve FPS by enabling high-performance mode in Windows power settings. This helps your PC prioritize speed instead of saving power, and that's basically how to increase FPS in BlueStacks in 2026. So after applying these settings, your game should feel smoother, faster, and much more responsive on PC. Thanks for watching.